Fire destroyed a vehicle and heavily damaged another at a St. Lawrence County auto repair shop. It happened at Northland Automotive and Performance on Old Route 11 in the town of Canton at around 2 a.m. Wednesday. Owner Dean Murdoch told 7 News that a 4-door sedan caught fire and that the Canton Fire Department quickly put it out. A vehicle sitting next to the sedan was heavily damaged by the flames and heat. Murdoch said the St. Lawrence County Sheriff's Office took the sedan to its impound lot and is investigating. It's unclear if the fire was deliberately set. 7 News reached out to the Sheriff's Office for more information and will update the story if we get further details.